Hello guys. Welcome to my life. I set fire. Hello everyone. Welcome to my life. Welcome guys. Let's check one thing. I want to make sure everything is right. Mm, Welcome everybody. Mm, hello. Okay. Hello. I hope you have my voice clearly. Hello guys. Hello. Hello. Why I don't have Hello guys, do you have my voice? Hello. 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 I set fire. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Okay, guys. Guys. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Do you have my voice? Do you have my voice, guys? Hello, guys. Yes, I think now you have my voice. Perfect. Now we can start. Let's start and let's do this lab. I think this is important. This is important, guys. Please make sure you do this at the same time and we are in the same lab. Perfect. Let's continue. Hello, everyone. Hello. And now Is it slow? What about now? What about now, guys? Is okay? I try to speak loudly. Mm. Okay, let's start with a ERGRP. Today we want to do ERGRP at the lab, and I think this is the interesting lab. We do few lab. We do few lab, and this is important, and we know how to configure ERGRP. So here, let's open the topology. ERGRP stop routing. Okay. ERGRP stop routing. Now we are here. We have a 3 router. We have a 3 router. They are connected to each other with a serial. We don't have serial here, so what am I doing is turn off. I choose serial port, turn off, choose serial port, turn on again. Then look at this. You should turn it off, then turn it on. And turn it on again. Everything is turned on. Then we connected serial 0 to serial 0, then serial 02. Let's serial 031 to 031. Now we have a connection. Then hello everyone, welcome. Then our lab is talk about the improved network stability. So we reduce resource utilization, and the HQ network. We have decided to configure one of the branch router R2 to ERGRP stop. Okay. First of all, we need to do the basic configure to all router. No IP domain lookup line console 0 login synchronization and timeout time. Let's exec timeout is 0 0. Perfect. It's like this. No IP domain lookup. For example, we can copy paste to all around there. It's like this. For example, no enable configure terminal paste like this, and no enable configure terminal paste. For line con 0 login like this, and exec timeout is 0 to 0. And we just copy paste all of them, so we don't need to write it all of them. Then we choose the serial. This is the R2, R1, and R3. Now we choose which one we want. Here we have a static route, and we have a default route here. In this part, actually, let's fill okay. Feel like not good. We need the something. Yes. And here we have a EIGRP, and here we have a default route, to goes up, and to R1 to R3 we have a static route, guys. Hello. Now we want to have a few pieces. For example, We have a switch here. We have another switch here. We have another switch here. Obviously, they connect to gig 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 to 0, 1. Let's remove this because I want to have a same port. Gig 0, 1 to 0, 1. Then this, sorry, 0, 1. To this. Perfect. This is our topology. We have a PC here, PC here, PC here, PC here, PC here, and PC here. Nice. They connected to the switch like this. They connected to this PC and this PC. Nice. This PC to this PC. I think this is good topology. Here we have a 10.150/24. We have what we have here. We have a 10.330/24 exactly. And here we have a 10.110/24 here, guys, not here. Let's fix it somewhere good. Here. And within this connection, we have this IP 10 point, oh my god, 10.2.0/30. Nice. And here we have a 10.440/30. Nice. I think this is a good topology, yes? Well done, guys. I hope you have my display, and I need something. Sorry. Okay. Well done. And in this topology, we have a gig 00 on R1 here. It means that we have a gig 01. We want to do an IP. What is the R1? Yes. 10.2.2.2.2 10.1.1.1. Very good. Exit. And interface gig. Oh my god, what does that? 01 is IP at 10.1.1.255.255.255.0 and no shot exit interface serial 030. We are here, guys. If you can see, we are here. We want to do R2 to R1. IP at 10.2.2.1 to okay. Let's change the host name first. R1. This is R1. Your R1. And exit interface serial. What was the interface serial? R2. It was R2, bro. Interface serial 030 IP at 10.2.2.255.255.255.0 IP at no shutdown. Then jump into gig 001 interface. Sorry, IP at what was the IP 10.3.3.2.1 255.255.255.0 no shutdown interface serial 031. Yes, 031 for this route. IP at 10.4.4.1 255.255.255.252 because it is a slash 30 clock rate 6. No, we can't do this. No shot. Exit interface. Loopback 1 IP at loopback 1. It is 1 to 1. Exit interface 2 to 2. Oh, no one-to-one interface loop back to, then to one, loop back 3, 3 1, loop back 4, 4 1. Is it right? Yes. And then we go to R3, guys. This is R3, host name R3, R3, and interface set serial 031 IP at 10.442.255.255.255.252 because it is a /30, and no shot exit interface gig 01. We want to configure this, and IP at 10.1.5.2.5, sorry, 1.5.1, 2.5.5.2.5.5.2.5.5.0, no shutdown. Now you can see it's up. I set fire. Okay. And where we are, we did this part. Oh my god. And here the things is show interface brief, show IP interface brief. We add all ports to everything. It's good. Now start to configure ERGRP. Start with router 1. In router 1, we need to enable ERGRP as 100 for all interface on R1 and R2. For reference, there are the commands which can be used. Let's do this. Router ERGRP 100 network. Look at the network, guys. 10.0.0 and 0, and network 192.168.00.200.255.255. Is it okay? I think it's okay. And in R2, guys, please look at this. In R2, loopback interface, in the ERGRP update to R1 using manual summarization. For example, configure terminal interface serial. serial 0. Now IP summary address ERGRP 100. We need to enable it. 00.255.255.248 dot this dot 0. We now summarize it and configure a static route for R2 to R3. It's import IP routes 10 10 1 5 1 with this subnet mask goes to 10 4 4 2. Oh, sorry, this is 0. R2 to R3. Interesting. In R3 says that okay. And in R3 says every IP with every subnet mask goes to 10 4 4 4 1. Okay, and we ping 10 1 10 1 5 1. Who's the 5? And as you can see, it's good. Let's show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. The thing is, in this line, it says every packet with every this subnet mask goes to this serial. Why it says in R2? And in R2, In R3 it says every IP with every subnet mask goes to this. Interesting, guys. This is show IP route. And NOR2 show IP ERGRP neighbors. We don't have any neighbors. Why? Because in R1, let's look at the R1. Why the R1 is not show IP interface brief? They are not up. Okay, configure terminal interface serial 030, no shutdown. Link up. And in R2, now we need to configure this. Show. We didn't configure ERGRP. ERGRP, where you are? Oh, we don't do that. Okay, IP route. Sorry, router ERGRP 100. Network 10.0.0.0. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Not 680 to 0 and 0 to 0 255 255. Something is okay. Configure terminal router ERGP 100. No, this copy paste. Oh my god. One thing is more than no exit. And NR2 do show IP interface brief. Up, 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 up. Everything is up. Now we need to wait. And do show IP ERGRP neighbor. Show IP ERGRP neighbor. for process 100. Show IP interface, show IP route. What we are in? Show IP route, and I just okay, let's check the configuration. Show run IP summary ERGRP 100. What is that? 5 inter configure serial 30. We put additional 5. I know this is my mistake. Okay, shut down, no, shut down again, and we wait to up the protocol interface up to change. Number 1, show CDP neighbor. They can each other. Show IP route. Good. Hello, welcome. What do you think, guys? Oh, let's check the IPs. Show IP interface brief 10.2.2.2. It should be correct. Show IP interface brief. Oh, here. Why we don't apply IPs? Oh my god. Configure terminal interface serial 030. IP at 10.2.2.2. Or 1.2.1. Guys, we did it before, yeah? 2.5.2. Now it's okay. No shutdown exit. Sure. Enable. You. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Mm, Now let's configure ERGRP stop. ERGRP stop is a feature enable you to limit the ERGRP query message in the network. Routers configured as a stop do not forward ERGRP LAN routes to other neighbor. Guys, can you see the serial 030? The all packets from 10440. This is here, I think. Connect to from the via 10222 here. It's from serial 00. Bring all packet from 10440. Amazing. And you're passing. Okay, what to do ERGRP stop? Use ERGRP start command to configure a route as a stop where the router directs all traffic to the distribution router. The ERGRP start command can be modified with several options, and these options can be used in any combine except for the receive only keyword. The receive only keyword will restrict the route from sharing any of its routes with any other routes in a ERGRP autonomous system. And receive only keeps will not permit any other options to be specific because it prevents any type of route from being sent. The four other options keyword connect, static, summary, and redistribute can be used any combined but cannot be used in a receive only. If any of these five keywords is used with ERGRP stop, only the route types specified by the particular keyword will send. Route types specified by the remain keyword will not be sent. The connected keyword permit the ERGRP stop routing to send a connect router. If the connect routes are not covered by a network statement, it may be necessary to redistribute connect routes with the redistribute connected command under the ERGRP process. The option is enabled by default. The static keyword permit the ERGRP stop routing feature to send a static route. Without the configuration of this option, ERGRP will not send any static route. Include internal static route that normally would be automatically redistributed. Okay guys, I think this is enough for today. I hope you see you for tomorrow.